Okay, this is a Filipino pastime game. This is called Mahjong. Or in English, they call it Mahjong. But in Filipino pronunciation, it's called Mahjong.
In Spanish, by whom?
This is a pastime Filipino famous gambling game. It's like how the Americans would play, cards.
Yeah.
So this is all sports, all opinion. This is more of a sport leisure game. But my dad here, he's right now he's an outpatient. He's supposed to be in the hospital. So the doctor decided to give us a few days with our dad. So but he told me that I'll tell you later on when I explain about it. 7 days in the hospital, but he's good. He's all right. He had a colonoscopy. He had to get a colonoscopy. You know how it is. But anyways, he told me a ghost story when he was sleeping in bed one time in the hospital. I'll tell you that later on. What he dreamed of. This is not in the sports, but this is part of the all spirit. The spirit channel that I usually do, the ghost channel that I do. So I'm gonna talk to that later on. All right, gotta go.
Okay.
Mahjong. Oh yeah. You probably see that on SOUNDCLOUD. I don't know what's happening.
Dami lang unique one anak ni Bruce Willis nga. Sila salida ka na, oo. Sila Bruce anak.
Yeah.
About that one, it'll take around 1 day or 1.5 day to come in here to schedule. But I did.
But then we just come back here.
Yeah. But I don't know if will be done. Will done or they will done for acting no more. Just only for the tablets.
Okay.
I skill. I check my specialist for my stomach because lower and upper the examination is okay, but why there is a blood little bit in there where that came from. So that's why the specialist will do that one.
Mudah sabi ko na pipiliin mo niya. Shuffle mo na.
Shuffle.
Yeah, but that's a cheat. Mom goes, hey, you're cheating, man. Get back in there.
This is called We're Still Filipinos.
You gotta shuffle
We're still Filipino Mahjong.
You gotta shuffle it.
You gotta shuffle. That doesn't shuffle.
My dad didn't shuffle. He's trying to keep the same
Mabuk yan, shuffle.
Anyways. Yeah, one day we'll do a whole game just of Mahjong, so we'll teach you how to.
Yeah.
We'll teach you out there how the game's played.
Yeah.
Well, not now. This is just fun games, Mahjong. Go on Seinfeld episode.
Mahjong.
The parents are playing Mahjong.
Okay.
To get Seinfeld.
Mom and Dad sticking in his room. Dad's feeling good, feeling better. All right. All right, guys, these flowers. All right, let's go. Yeah.
So let's record with Randy Jones. Wait. Who's this guy? Who's that?
Okay.
Joke. I do that so I can get my.
Come here.
Okay. How you doing, Pop? Good?
Alright, awesome. Yeah, hey, Dad came back for our birthday. Yeah. Hey, man. Dad's back for a couple of days. Outpatient. Good. Everything okay, Joe? Good. Something upstairs. Yeah. All right, Dad's back, guys. Alrighty. Go up, up. What? Dad's back. Mom, what do you want this, Mom? You got it? Okay. I feel good? You feel good, Mom? Feel good? Okay, good. Awesome.